Welcome to Petrosstone, a leading exporter of Snow Grey Quartz to the USA.
Precision, the core of excellence. Elevating stone artistry across the world.
We begin by matching samples to ensure consistent color and texture across every batch of Snow Grey Quartz. Our Snow Grey Quartz undergoes high-grade production, followed by rigorous quality control checks to meet the highest industry standards. Each slab is thoroughly inspected for bending and warping to ensure it maintains its perfect form during transport and installation. We carefully verify slab thickness to guarantee uniformity, preventing any warping issues. Slab size inspections are conducted to ensure that every piece meets precise dimensional specifications. Each slab is meticulously labeled, ensuring seamless identification and traceability throughout the shipping process. Once packaged and labeled, the Snow Grey Quartz is securely shipped to the USA.